Hi traders, Olivia Hart here, and you have probably heard that artificial intelligence taking over many modern professions. Well, the AI wave has reached trading too. Today we're putting AI to the test. That's right, I'm putting AI trading on the pocket option against my own analysis. Who will win, AI or human intuition? So stick around till the end to find it out. First up, AI takes the wheel. I have never used this feature before. It chooses its own expiration times, and honestly, I'm not a fan of these 10-second trades, especially when they end in a loss. Oh, but the second trade turned out profitable. Now it's suggesting a 5-second trend upwards. Weird choice. Okay, let's switch to another pair. I wouldn't have waited for a price drop here, but it's hard to judge with a 10-second window. And there is the profit. Now AI opened a 30-second trade on the third pair. I wish I knew what its logic was. So far, I'm not impressed, but let's give AI another chance. And nope, no profit this time. Let's try again. Now it's back to 10 seconds and another loss. Okay, that's enough for now. Time for me to take over, guys. Don't forget to drop your thoughts on AI in the trading in the comments. I would love to hear your opinions. Alright, setting my expiration to 2 minutes and placing a couple of trades for $500 each, adding MACD and Bollinger Bands with as my indicators. Right away, I see a great opportunity and there is clear potential for a price drop. Okay, everything is pretty straightforward here. It's all right in front of us, guys. Here's a closer look. We have got a strong resistance level and the indicators confirm the price is likely to drop. Breakout seems unlikely, so let's watch. Oh, perfect trade, and it didn't require complex analysis. The signal was practically screaming at us. Next, I think I'm opening a 1-minute trade. This setup is similar. There is a strong resistance level here that we can't ignore. The price movement should be pretty solid, I think. The indicators also align with this view, but in this situation, a 1-minute trade seems more appropriate. And yes, there is our profit, another great trade. Here comes the third trade, and I'm going with 2 minutes this time. The max signal is weaker here, but BBW indicates a price drop. Of course, technical analysis is still okay. You can clearly see a beautiful price channel which aligns with the direction indicated by the indicators. And there it is, 3 successful trades in a row, guys. Maybe I should train the AI to follow my strategies. So the verdict is clear. Artificial intelligence has some catching up to do in trading. The AI trading ended up with a loss of $1,080, but my 3 trades brought $1,370, leaving us with a profit of $290. And of course, if you want to become a true master of trading, follow me on Telegram because there I share strategies, signals, and tips to help you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. See you next time.